You might think these cans are only good for food, but I'll show you how to give them a completely new purpose, capable of some surprising feats of cooking and heating. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform those simple canned fish cans into a powerful and versatile mini kitchen tool. I'll carefully remove the pull tabs from both lids. I use scissors to cut the tabs off the lid. These small tabs are quite actually useful, so I'm going to save them for later. The trick is to bend them just right so they detach cleanly without deforming the lid too much, preserving the can shape for our project. Now, I'm taking one of the small pull tabs and placing it on a wooden block for stability. Using my drill, I'll carefully make a hole in the larger loop of the tab. This hole is crucial because it will allow us to attach these tabs securely to our stove later on, transforming them into functional components. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm taking one of the cans and marking 2 equidistant points along its side with a marker. These marks are where I'll drill small holes. These holes are essential for securing the pull tabs. Now it's time to attach the modified pull tabs to the sides of the cans. I'm using a rivet tool for this, as it provides a very strong and secure connection. I'll align the hole in the pull tab with one of the previously drilled holes on the can, insert a rivet, and then use the tool to firmly fasten it. I'm going to attach the second pull tab to the remaining hole on the can. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With both pull tabs attached, I'm marking a second row of evenly spaced small holes on the top of the can. Again, I'm drilling holes at these new markings. This row of holes is crucial for increasing the efficiency of the stove, allowing for complete combustion and faster cooking. I'm carefully marking a line around the top edge of one of the cans. This line serves as my guide for cutting off the upper part of the can. This part will form the outer shell of our mini stove. I'm using an angle grinder to make a clean, precise cut. After cutting, I'll lightly sand the inside surface of one of the lids. This is to remove any protective coating, which helps in the next steps. I'm now taking the sanded lid and marking its exact center. I'll drill a small pilot hole first, and then use a step drill bit to gradually enlarge the central opening. The precise sizing is important here. Once done, I'll place a small metal ball bearing into this hole. This ball bearing acts as a vital component for directing the flame and ensuring a steady, controlled burn, almost like a wick. I use pliers to adjust the 2 pull tabs on either side of the outer can. These pads will play a crucial role. They will act as sturdy handles for the stove. By securing them firmly, I am creating a stable platform, ensuring your cookware remains balanced and safe during use. For the fuel chamber, I'm using a common steel wool scrubber. I'll cut it in half, then carefully place 1/2 inside the inner can. The steel wool acts as a medium to hold the alcohol fuel, allowing it to wick up and burn more efficiently and safely, preventing spills and regulating the flame. Once the steel wool is in place, I'll gently tap it down with a hammer to compact it. This ensures it fills the can snugly. Now for the fuel. I'm carefully pouring alcohol into the can, letting the steel wool soak it up completely. To complete our mini stove, we need a sturdy stand. I'm taking a small wooden block and attaching L-shaped metal brackets to its sides with screws. These brackets will securely provide a stable base for cooking. The brackets not only hold it securely, but also provide a safe distance between the flame and your cooking surface. With everything in place, I'll carefully bring a lit match to the center hole where the ball bearing is. Watch as the alcohol vapor ignites, producing a beautiful, clean blue flame. It's truly amazing to see something made from simple cans come to life. I'll place our specially modified lid with the ball bearing on top of can. This forms a complete fuel burner. You can see the flame is burning steadily and efficiently. The small holes we drilled earlier provide optimal airflow, creating a consistent heat source. This homemade stove is incredibly practical and demonstrates the power of repurposing common items. Let's put our mini stove to the ultimate test. Frying an egg. I'll place a small pan on the pot supports and add a bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll crack an egg right in. Look at that. The egg is sizzling perfectly, demonstrating just how effective this DIY stove is for real-world cooking. It's perfect for camping, emergencies, or just a fun backyard cooking experiment. And there you have it, a fully functional, portable stove made from simple tuna cans. This project proves that with a little creativity, you can turn everyday discarded items into something truly useful and impressive. If you enjoyed this transformation and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.